Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and the subject today we are studying is IGCSE physics. This is the extended physics. Today we have set our heart to solve paper 4 of this subject. And for this purpose, we have selected October-November 2023 4-2 paper. From this paper, today in this video, we are going to attempt question number 10. This question is related with the space physics. The purpose of this video is to collect questions related with from the space physics for our Cambridge O-level students, because this is the new topic which is added into the syllabus. So we have very limited questions on the space physics, so that's why we are solving the question related from the space physics from the IGCSE course, so that our students can prepare well and master this concept. So let's start this video. So question number 10 is showing up on your screen. He says, complete the sentences about the life cycle of the stars. So the first question in the A part, he says the protostars are formed from. They are formed from interstellar nebula. That is, interstellar nebula is the dust and the gas. It's a cloud of dust and this forms into the protostar. So my solution is that the interstellar cloud of gas and dust, which we call interstellar nebula. Okay, so you can call it nebula, you can call it interstellar cloud of gas and dust. So this is our answer. So question number 10 is B part. A protostar becomes a stable star when dash is balanced by dash. Okay, in the protostars become a stable star. You see there are two main forces acting in it. There is one inward force in the protostar which is trying to collapse it, and that is the gravitational attraction in it, the force of gravity that is acting inward. It is pulling the star inward, and when this becomes balanced by an outward force which is caused due to the fusion of the hydrogen atoms, and they convert into helium, and during that process enormous amount of energy is given out, so that produces an outward force. But when this inward and the outward force, inward force is due to the gravitational attraction and the outward force is due to the energy produced by the fusion reaction. So the inward force due to the gravitational attraction, and this is the first fill in the blank, and the outward force due to the high temperature produced due to fusion. This is my answer. Marking scheme says inward force of gravitational attraction is balanced by the outward force due to the high temperature in the center of the star, and that high temperature is due to the fusion reaction. Question number 10 is C part. He says the initial fuel used to power the nuclear reaction in the stars is, and that is hydrogen, because the hydrogen nuclei, they fuse into each other, they perform the nuclear fusion, and they produce that enormous energy. So the fuel is basically the hydrogen atoms. So look at the marking scheme. Hydrogen is the right answer, sir. And then the D part, question number 10, D part. He says stars that are approximately the same size as the sun becomes red giant stars, which then form a dash with a white dwarf star at its center. So here, one concept is very important: the life cycle of the stars. There are two types of stars: the average size star, the sun, they are small stars, and then there are very large stars. So let me show you. I have written here so that you can remember. So their question is on average star. So from stellar nebula, the average star is formed, the stable star. Then it becomes red giant. Then it becomes planetary nebula. This is the answer. Okay, you have to write the planetary nebula, and then that planetary nebula converts into white dwarf. The stars which are very large. So From stellar nebula, they convert into a massive stable star. Then they convert into red supergiant, and then supernova happens. And then two things can happen: either it can be converted into a black hole, or it can be converted into a neutron star. So in our question, the question was about a small size star like our sun, and after red giant it converts into the planetary nebula. So these two life cycles, this is the life cycle of a small size star, and this is the life cycle of a large star. You should remember this. And so we are, this was the question number 10, is D part, so we are done with it. So my dear students, today in this video we have attempted question number 10, which was related with the space physics from October, November 2023, IGCSE Physics Paper 4, 062542, Extended Physics. And I hope that you will find this video useful, interesting. Please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Also share the link of this video with your friends, with your class fellows, with your junior students, with your teachers. And also share the link of this video onto your WhatsApp accounts, onto your Facebook, onto your TikTok, onto your Instagram, onto your Twitter. So wherever you can share it, because when you do this, this helps me to promote my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day. God bless you all.